All right, so we're gonna pull up to Velvet Taco in the Woodlands, to be exact. And we're just gonna get the kids' menu out the way. We got the tots and the quesadillas, and this is what we came here for. Yeah, some egg tater tot thing with parsley. So good, I had to buy it 3 or 4 times. And right here, these tacos, the Korean barbecue taco and the chicken and waffle taco, yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, I had to get some more of these. This is about number 6 right now. And another taco, because they're great. They're great the third time around, too. And another one. And, yeah, Velvet Taco, Houston, Texas. Actually, the Woodlands, to be exact. If you're in town, check it out. Have a great rest of your life.